much is that amount? I collected 2,500 naira from you.
Yes.
And another 2,500.
Yeah.
Making it 5,000.
41,000.
Huh?
41,000.
2,500 plus 2,000. That is
41,000.
Oh my God.
5,000 naira. That is
41,000.
Jesus! I say you collect 2,500 plus 2,500. 0 plus 0.
0.
0 plus 0.
0.
5 plus 5.
10.
2 plus 2.
4.
41,000.
0 plus 0.
0.
0 plus 0.
0.
5 plus 5.
10.
I write 10. 2 plus 2. 4 now.
You carry one. You carry one. You carry one.
Where you dey carry am go? Hey! Carry one go where?
Hey! Come. Wait. Who be your teacher?
Okoro carry one go where?
Who be your teacher? I don't get problem with you.
Okoro.
No.
1,000.
5,000. Wait. Let me talk. I want to go and see your teacher. I don't get problem with you.
No, you come borrow money.
Who says so? Who be your teacher? No, who teach you? No, I don't get any problem. No, shut up. I am coming. Let me go and see your teacher. You say 5,000 plus 2,500 plus. Is it not 5,000?
No, but you follow me the answer calculation now.
You go tell me how 2,500 plus 2,500 when I come back.
Hey! 41,000.